How do you diagnose voltage drop on a boat? Have you ever wondered why your boat's electrical systems sometimes seem sluggish? Diagnosing voltage drop could be the answer. Voltage drop occurs when electrical potential decreases as current travels through wires and connections. This can affect essential equipment like navigation, lights, and radios. Let's break down how to diagnose voltage drop effectively. First, you need to prepare your boat's electrical system. Start by turning off all electrical circuits and the engine. Grab a digital voltmeter, commonly known as a multimeter. Set it to measure direct current volts on a scale below 20 volts. Measure the battery voltage by placing the black lead on the negative terminal and the red lead on the positive terminal. This gives you a baseline voltage to compare later. Next, it's time for the voltage drop test. Turn on the circuit you want to check, like the VHF radio or water pump. Make sure all other circuits are off to avoid interference. With the circuit active, measure the voltage at the battery terminals again. This confirms the voltage under load. Then, measure the voltage at the device. Place the red lead on the positive terminal of the device and the black lead on the negative terminal. The difference between the battery voltage under load and the voltage at the device is your voltage drop. Now let's interpret those results. According to marine electrical standards, a voltage drop of up to 3% is acceptable for critical circuits, such as navigation lights and communication devices. For non-critical circuits, a drop of up to 10% may be tolerated. If you find a voltage drop exceeding these limits, it indicates an issue in the wiring or connections. Identifying the causes of excessive voltage drop is the next step. Look for corroded or loose terminals and connectors. Undersized wiring that cannot handle the current load efficiently is another common culprit. Long wiring runs can also cause resistance buildup. Faulty switches or circuit breakers may lead to similar problems. Here are some additional testing tips. Ensure current is flowing in the circuit while testing. An open switch will cause all voltage to drop across it, skewing your results. Testing while the device is operating provides the most accurate assessment. You can also use an online voltage drop calculator or reference charts to determine acceptable wire sizes and expected voltage drops for your specific devices. By systematically measuring voltage at the battery and at the load, and comparing these values, you can pinpoint where voltage loss occurs. Fixing issues like replacing corroded terminals, upgrading wiring size, or tightening connections will reduce voltage drop. This will improve the reliability of your boat's electrical systems and ensure everything runs smoothly.